boys and girls. This is for second graders who are going to be doing a Chatterpix assignment on Jimmy Carter. In case you don't want to use an image from the internet, I decided to just do a quick, hopefully quick, tutorial on how to draw Jimmy Carter. Now, this is just like a cartoon looking depiction or drawing of Jimmy Carter. But if you'd like to look at some real pictures of Jimmy Carter, they are posted in the lesson plan on my blog. Well, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start with his hair, actually. And his hair and his face are going to kind of come together like this. And we can just kind of bring his hair down this way. So sort of like the inside of his face right now. Pull it down a little bit. And then you're going to kind of do the outside of his hair like this. So now we have his head and his hair. We're going to put some ears on President Carter. And then we can start by just doing some eyes, a nose, and we're going to give him a big smile because he's a pretty happy guy, and he always seems to be smiling. And for your Chatterpix assignment, you're going to have to draw a picture of his mouth. Now we're going to draw President Carter in a suit. So we'll start here, kind of at his shoulder, and we'll come down. We'll make his arm the sleeve of his jacket, and do a line right here for the first sleeve. And then we can finish off his jacket by going down this way, kind of coming across. And now we can come on over here and do the other arm. Sorry if you guys can't see. I'm not very good at making these tutorials yet. I'll have to take some tips from Mrs. Bly. And we're going to finish the other sleeve right here and go across. And we're going to have President Carter wearing a jacket. So what I'll do is I'll start kind of putting the embellishments on his jacket. So I'm just going to come down here off the shoulder, kind of come in, and make sort of a V down at the bottom. You know what I didn't do? Is I didn't finish his jacket over here. I knew something looked funny. There we go. And I'm going to add kind of like where his tie is going to go. There we go. Now here's the collar of his shirt underneath his jacket. And we'll put a tie on President Carter. And remember, boys and girls, this is not a perfect picture of President Carter. This is just kind of a quick drawing for you to use if you don't want to use an image from the internet. I'm going to finish his jacket by just drawing a line down the middle. I'll put some pockets in his jacket here and here. And of course, we want our good president to have hands. And we'll draw the pants of his suit here. And I'm going to kind of make a shoe. We'll have one going like that. And then we'll have the other pant leg coming down here. And there's Jimmy Carter's other shoe. And then you can draw, you can color him in. And if you wanted to use an illustration instead of an image from the internet, that's just one quick way to draw a picture of Jimmy Carter. Just a quick kind of cartoonish version of Jimmy Carter but I know that you guys are going to come up with some great facts to go along with either your image or your illustration. Talk to you later, boys and girls. Bye-bye.